Okay guys, let's unbox this. Okay, it seems that there is a box in a box, so this time it is properly wrapped. Before this I received few boxes which are totally destroyed. Okay, so let's have a look. So because there is a box outside and another box, so therefore the box is not dented and there is no bubble wrap, only plastic wrap, but everything is okay here. So let's just cut the plastic wrapping. Okay, so at last we have the box, which is still intact. Look at that, a little bit of dent. Okay, so let's open this box. That's the watch. This is the watch. Take it off gently. Here we are. Alright, we will go back to the watch later. So let's go to the documentation. Usually they put it at the back of the box. Okay, over here. Alright, so this is the warranty card or warranty certificate, and that is the model number MTP-V006L-7C warranty certificate, and the watch manual. This is the user guide, and again this is the I believe this is the warranty card, international warranty card. Okay, so we have no time to go through this. Alright, so we put that aside and let's go back to the watch. Yes, it is. There is the watch. So open the plastic wrapping. There we are. Fantastic. 19, and it's red. The day is in red. Okay, again we have to take off the watch tag, which is something that I really don't like, as I always say in my video, because this will take a while to take off. Okay, so we got it out. And again, this is the watch tag MTP-V006L-7CUDF. Okay, and on the back is the Casio logo. Okay, so we got it. Now going back to the watch, there is no plastic protective sticker on the watch face. So this is the watch. So let's go to the case first. Closer look at the case. So this is the stainless steel case back, and the model number is MTP-V006. Okay, the module number is 1333. Alright, so let's talk about the price first. The price that I got here is a really good price, which is I got it for only about Malaysian ringgit 63, which is equivalent to USD 13. Okay, let's talk about the dial. So it has a white dial, okay, very interesting white dial, giving it a clean and classic appearance because it's white. And it has, if you look at the markers, it is some sort of bar-like markers. On top there, we have a double bar, whereas on the 3 o'clock position we have a larger bar, and the same with the 6 o'clock position and the 9 o'clock position. And there is a circle with white stripes, okay, circle in the inner dial. The inner dial is a circle with white stripe and numbered from 13 to 24. Again, it has a day and date display at 3 o'clock. And I think the striking feature of this watch is the second hand which is red, partly red. The hour and minute hands are shaped like a spear. Okay, very interesting dial, white dial, and I think the crown is a little bit bigger. Okay, bigger than most of the other Casios. Okay, in terms of case size, lug to lug size is about 45.1 from here to here. Okay, the width is about 38 millimeter, which is a versatile size for those who have smaller wrists. But I think this is also suitable for those with a larger wrist. But 38 millimeter will be just nice if you have a wrist like me, which is 6.5 inches. Okay, and again, it is light. It's light about 46 gram, and then the thickness is only about 9.4 millimeter. The band is of course leather, but I don't think this is real leather because there is no marking. Normally, if it is real leather, there is a marking here saying that it is genuine leather, but this one none. So I think this is just a fox leather. And again, if you look at the price itself, it's only about 13 USD. So I don't think this is a real leather, but still look nice and beautiful. Look at that. The buckle, I don't know, it is stainless steel, but I think it's stainless steel, but there's no Casio logo on it. But still, it look nice. And of course, the case back, as I mentioned before, it is stainless steel. And all right, it is said here at the bottom there is water resistant. So I believe that this is 30 meters water resistance, and it will be suitable for everyday activities, but not for deep water activities. Okay, so it's not meant for swimming. Maybe has a little bit of splash or washing your hands, it will be all right. Okay, in terms of power supply, the battery is powered by the SR6265W battery, which is good for 2 years. In terms of accuracy, with a deviation of about plus or minus 20 seconds per month. So to me, in summary, this watch is a stylish and functional timepiece with attention to the design. As you can see, beautiful, and water resistance for daily use. And again, the price is cheap and it's really a stylish watch. Let's put it on my 6.5 inch wrist. Okay, not bad. So you can see the sunburst effect also present on the dial. So this is really a good watch. It's affordable and good quality and beautiful. So why not buy one? Okay guys, I think that's all for this video. And thank you for watching, and see you again in the next one. Bye.